Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I want to show you all what the Infiniti looks like at night. Basically just go over all of like the lighting and stuff that I have done to the car. So it's not all the way dark yet, but it's pretty close to where I can get a good video and to where you guys can see everything. So I'm going to start with the inside and then work my way to the outside. So starting out, I have a 300-piece star kit in here, and I know I kind of want to redo the headliner to add more stars and to also get the sunroof, just because I don't like that big empty space in there. Right here, I have the illuminated door sills on both sides, and then I also have the Infiniti door lighting right here as well. So this is kind of how that looks at night. If I turn the headlights on, you guys can see the OEM accent lighting kit down there. And basically this is an OEM kit you can get from Infiniti. It was an option on these cars if the first buyer chose it, but a lot of people didn't choose it whenever they bought the car brand new. So they're running a sale on them a few years ago on the InfinitiPartsDirect.com, and I ended up snagging a set. Everything's plug and play, super easy. On the outside of the car, I have these puddle lights. I ignore that one in the back just because I think part of the side skirt is covering it, but got it on both sides. This side looks a lot more uniform. Of course, the standard tail lights, really OEM looking, and then I have LEDs in there. I'll show you guys the startup animations on the tail lights and then also some of the other functions, and then I'll go into the show modes on those as well. And these are some of the show functions of the tail lights as well. See if I can adjust the brightness a little bit. So I think something that's really cool with these tail lights is, of course, this is very illegal, but the factory functions of the vehicle override the show functions, and I'll show you guys what I mean by that. So I'm gonna go hit the brakes, and then you'll watch how the brakes override this, and then when I let off the brakes, then the show functions go back up. So. Next, I want to go over the emblem. So this is a RGB emblem. It's for the G37 sedan, but it fits the coupe as well. You just gotta make minor cuts and stuff on it. But that is on the front of the car. And of course, your headlights and stuff that are on there. I'll also show you guys the strip at night, the turn signals, and then also the fog lights at night as well. So these are the headlights at night. Just have the strip going through colors right now. I did have to turn the brightness down just for the video, but these LEDs are from Next Level Neo, and everything is controlled by the remote, so I can turn them off with it, also turn them on with it, and they have an app to where everything changes colors as well. So